Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a mousse recipe. We'll start by gathering our simple, yet high-quality ingredients, ensuring a rich foundation for our dessert. Then, I'll guide you through the mixing and whipping techniques that create that signature airy texture everyone loves. Finally, we'll cover the crucial chilling process and some delightful serving suggestions to impress your guests. Get ready to create a truly decadent treat. For a truly exquisite mousse, selecting the right ingredients is key. You'll need about 8 ounces of premium dark chocolate, ideally with at least 60% cocoa solids, for that deep, rich flavor. We'll also use 1 1/2 cups of cold heavy cream, 4 large eggs, and a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. A pinch of salt and a teaspoon of vanilla extract will enhance all those wonderful flavors. Now for the magic of texture. First, gently fold your slightly cooled, melted chocolate into the whisked egg yolks until just combined. In a separate bowl, whip your cold heavy cream until it forms soft, billowy peaks. Then, in another clean bowl, whip your egg whites with sugar until they form firm, glossy peaks. Carefully fold these 2 airy components into your chocolate base in 3 gradual additions, preserving that wonderful lightness. The final, crucial step is chilling. Transfer your beautifully airy mousse into individual serving dishes or a large bowl. Cover it loosely and refrigerate for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow it to set perfectly. This ensures a firm yet creamy texture. When ready to serve, garnish with a dusting of cocoa powder, fresh raspberries, or delicate chocolate curls for an elegant and irresistible finish. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.